Gondor Essential Oil Distillation Extraction Machine. Distillation Equipment Series. Real-time monitoring of material status. Accurately control the feed rate. Excellent high temperature resistance. Good toughness and not easy to deform. Easy to collect and separate essential oils. High sensitive pressure gauge. Overpressure automatic shutdown and exhaust. Safe and reliable operation process display. Put the material into the extraction tank. Accurate temperature control and even heating. Extraction efficiency. Ensure the ultimate purity of essential oils. Distillation Equipment Series. Factory Panoramic View. Workshop. Exhibition Hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping